Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay ESD scissors. Black conductive scissors, ESD-scissors. So guys, ito siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang ESD na nakalagay doon sa mismo scissor natin. Hindi natin siya mabubuksan guys kasi nakasealed siya. Ayan siya guys. Ayan yung kanyang packaging. May nakalagay na ESD dun sa mismong scissors natin. May nakalagay na ESD. So, ayan siya guys. So, what is the use of ESD safe scissors? ESD safe scissors are designed for use in environments where sensitive electronic components are handled. These scissors minimize the risk of electrostatic discharge, ESD, that can damage electronic parts. Here are the key uses and features. Number 1. Protection against static. ESD safe scissors prevent the buildup and discharge of static electricity, protecting sensitive electronic components from damage. So, number 2, material. Typically made from materials like IDT-ST80, ABS, plastic with stainless steel blades, ensuring the anti-static properties last throughout the products of life. Number 3, areas of use. Ideal for use in ESD office areas, electronic sensitive areas, semiconductor manufacturing, PCB assembly, LCD production, SMT and clean rooms, class 10-100. Number 4, compliance. They meet industry standards such as ANSI-ESD S20.20 and IEC 61340-5-1. Number 5, identification. Labeled with an ESD symbol for easy identification. Ayan siya guys. Ang ating ESD scissors. ESD safe scissors are also designed with features that enhance usability and safety. Ergonomic design, designed to be easy to squeeze and comfortable to hold, reducing hand strain during repetitive use. Number 2, material and construction. High carbon steel blades ensure long-term cutting performance. Versatility, suitable for cutting various materials like paper, cardstock, and copper wire. Number 4, specific application. Useful for precision work such as gripping, splicing, cutting wires, and stripping insulation. So guys, yan ang ating ESD safe scissors. Ayan ang mismo niya, packaging niya guys. Zoom natin. So guys, ang ating ESD safe scissors, black conductive scissors, ESD scissors. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.